Yo, 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 yo. What's good, everybody? Sup, T to the T and a U to the tube. If you need to move the slider in a little bit, you can too. How's your night's sleep?
Oh, good, man.
Went to bed early?
Yeah, I went to bed early.
Nice. It's good. Up and at it.
I messaged Gene. I was like, where you at? He's like, don't get to the sun.
Yep. He should be here this morning too.
Yeah. Back in Denver.
I thought that when I heard the dogs barking, I thought he was here. But usually he comes through the to the front. Yep. Usually he comes through the front. He don't like it through the back. That's Brandon. I'm just kidding. This jokes, guys. Yep, game time, everybody. Game time, game time, game time. What's up, G? What's going on, fellas? We're on a few minutes early today. What's up, Artif? Mixie, Patel, Marcella, Jeff, Hefe, the Jeffe, Prepe, Andre, Chiva, Marcella. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Been studying your videos. Well, hopefully some good things are coming today then. I'm $72 from blowing my funded after yesterday. Am I cooked? I mean, you're not in great shape, but I wouldn't say that you're cooked quite yet. We'll see what we can do today. You are pretty low on drawdown, though. That's a tough spot to come back from drawdown. I'm not gonna lie to you. I will keep it a buck. Oh, just like that, huh? Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, let's get it. We also got some nice deals in prop firm land today, too. We got FFF Day. They're going to give us 3 uses of code Jdun. We'll get you 50% off your first 3 accounts. So I'll talk more about that in just a little bit as well. We also have CPI data tomorrow, everybody. That means, in my opinion, it's the best day of the month to pass an eval. The fastest way if it's 1-day pass. I have no idea. Well, that's how I asked you to buy a big card, bro.
No, I got you. I was just wondering. I got one.
I don't know where the heck it is. I think it's in my computer, actually. I think that's where it is. Still bearish. We're going to see. We're going to find out. We're going to find out which way we're going to head today. Either way. Up or down, I'm ready. You revenge traded yesterday. That's not good. We can't have that, man. We can't have that. What's up, G Money?
You order something?
Yeah.
There's some way you pull up. Looks like you're looking for the house.
Yeah. How many points do you do on shorts? It depends. Yesterday's win was like just under 70. So, I mean, if I can get a solid R multiple win, I'm cool. I don't need the, it doesn't need to be 100 points a day. Doesn't need to be that for any of you.
This is 120 gig. You got 4.5 hours of recording time.
Sweet.
It's the biggest one I had.
Sweet.
Wait, actually more. $5.
You tap the screen, everybody. Let's go.
Want me to start recording?
Yes, please. It's all set?
Yeah, looks good.
Bet.
Oh, yeah, everything. Need to get you an adapter that I don't have, but we can get that at Best Buy.
Yo, I just want to do it today
For sure.
so I can learn. Was good, everybody. What up, what up, what up? The Funded Futures family hooked us up with some accounts to give away today, everybody. So I got some accounts to give away for y'all, too. Okay, and payouts from there. funded. Was good, y'all? How do we win? We're gonna find out today, Kelly. That's the golden question now, isn't it? How are we going to win? Well, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna put this puzzle together. Yeah, how about them Spurs yesterday, baby? Let's go. We got more basketball coming. Never mind. Hello. Yeah, we'll see what we get today. What you got cooking today, Gerardo?
Man, just computer stuff. A lot of computer work. I'm just waiting for Gene to say hi and shit. He's on the way.
Frickin' Gene. There will be screenshot on Zoom. Just hang tight. We're not charting yet. There will be screen share on Zoom. Just hang tight. We're not charting quite yet. Getting all the just gotta do something real quick. Hang tight. Oh, some Rage Against the Machine. Let's go. Let's see here. 861. Yep, we got the parameters set. 4-7. Do I trade it open? I usually wait. No, you do what they told you. Da-dum. I only use the 15-minute opening range. That's all I use. I don't find a lot of success in watching for a 5-minute opening. We could. I'm not going to tell you that it won't work because I don't have the back testing data on it. But I think Gene's here.
No, not yet.
What's it? Oh, not quite. Sorry guys, I'm getting all this set up with my phone. Let's see here. 221-749. And we'll see. You could get a funded account. And you guys hit the like goals and we win. I give back. I don't know and I don't care. Okay. Today, let's go. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Let me hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Done on. How about them Spurs, baby? How about them Spurs? Oh, whoops, Chris, I gotta allow you to tap in. Gotta allow you to come on. One moment. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's up, big dog? What's up, dog? How you doing? That's the game plan.
That better be missing anymore.
Yeah, no, I just the The garbage is forever. Is gonna forever stay on the in the garage from now on.
You have anything you're watching other than waiting the 15-minute range?
Not really. Just staying patient. Waiting. Just waiting and watching VPA per usual. What about you? You got anything I watch? Oh.
Not really. Not really.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. It's almost game time. What's good? Yeah, I got a haircut now. I got the fade back. Yeah. Code. Let's get it, y'all. We got a great deal going on. FFF has sponsored today's live stream. So for 3 uses per trader, you can get 50% off the Prime or Premier plan, which with CPI tomorrow, potentially huge upside there. 1-day pass plans. They're both 1-day pass. Both are 1-day pass. If you guys want to get funded tomorrow for CPI, go get yourself a Prime or Premier plan, the 50Ks. Shout out the Funded Futures family. You can use code Jdun. Whoops. Use code Jdun and go get yourself locked in if you want to trade with me today or if you want to use your accounts for tomorrow. %, concentrated power of will. 5% pleasure, 15% game. Channel Jdun trades. You liked the refs last night? They were great. Just absolute perfection. Any calls that went in the Spurs' favor, we'll take it. We'll take it. I just want to see more basketball, man. We can go to 7 for all I care. Let's go. I don't know if any of y'all saw my IG story yesterday, but the party of the year is happening in Denver. So if we're homies, it's a paid party. It's $110 a person, but 100% of proceeds go to charity against fighting child trafficking. Are you going, Gerardo?
No, bro. I'm in Dallas.
Oh, that's right. You're going to Dallas this weekend.
Yeah, going Thursday.
Damn, no party of the year for you.
No party, bro. Gotta grind.
Gotta grind. It's going to be dope. And it goes to a good cause. You put $110 in and it goes to a good cause. I don't drink, but there's going to be an open bar. There's casino games. It's in a $6 million Cherry Hills mansion, my boy Hunter. It's going to be super dope. So if you're in Team Bull and you're in Denver, send me a DM. Yeah, in reality, it could have been 200. The point, again, all of it goes to charity. There's a silent auction as well. There's a lot of cool things going on. They do it every year. My friends are rich, so they just throw out money just to do it and throw cool parties and give back to a good cause. Not all my friends are rich, but those ones are. One of them is who I put in the offer on the new building with. Michael's the other one. If it's Hunter, then Michael. I like this AG1 I've been drinking. It's nice. People are kind of talking tea on it low key. But I like it. I think it's good. I think it's solid. I feel good after drinking it. It was. Is he? FFF has no activation fees. Nope. They gave us this deal is only for today. You get 50% off your first 3 accounts, either Prime or Premier, with code Jdun. They're both 1-day pass, both the Prime and Premier. They both don't have activation fees. FFF does not have activation fees. And it's CPI tomorrow. Gene got $20K in payouts from the Premier accounts. What's up, bro? Mr. Gene. Let's go. I'm all hyped up still from that game last night. That was lit. That was so lit. Sub G Puck. Yeah, as a reminder too, I'm hosting my next free live training a week from today. How many of you guys all got signed up yesterday? Check, check, check. Should be working. Check, 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 check. Oh, yeah. Who all got signed up for the free live training? And who still needs a link? It's next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. My second one, because the first one was great. Oh, the second one's going to go hard too. It's going to go ham. Yo, it's in I posted it here, but it's also in my TikTok bio. If you click my profile picture and click it again, you'll see it in my bio. And it's also, I'm posting the link on my to the Tube. I'm live there right now. Also, as a reminder, I got 10 accounts to give away for y'all today. All you got to do is hit that thumbs up button on the live. If you're on YouTube, tap in, hit that thumbs up button. Same deal with TikTok. If you guys want to get the giveaway, get to 110,000 likes, tap that screen over and over. Should be no problem. Just sit there and tap before market opens. Yep, signed up and ready. Let's go. Yep, try one more time. You should be good. Just make sure your email's typed in right. Let's get it. Everybody, come on, come on, come on. If you guys, I appreciate all you guys. We're getting our email warmed back up. If you guys got the confirmation email, make sure to check your spam. And I appreciate you guys opening it and replying. Anytime you guys get an email, we appreciate seeing y'all reply. It helps our open rate. Just only I feel the rage. Yeah, you guys got to check out that FFF deal. Code Jdun only today is valid for 50% off for your first 3 uses. With the Funded Futures family, if you go to fundedfuturesfamily.com, the cost with discount right now, let's go here. Let's see the prime plan for the 50K. Start. They've been. Did I take a trade yet? Nope. I just went and checked. Maybe it's on my end. I don't think the 50% off is activated quite yet. So hang tight. Code Jdun should get you 50% off on the Prime for 3 uses in the Prime or Premier. What's up, Gene? I missed you, dude. You missed me? Gene missed me, guys. Why? You get tattooed? Oh, you're more brown? You're the burrito bandit. I wouldn't expect anything different from you, buddy. The burrito bandito. Hello, hello, hello. Let's go. You guys all better sign up for the free live training this next Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Gene did call a banger on Thursday. That was a heat-seeking missile of a trade, huh, Gene?
Yeah.
Last week? Literally insane. Yep, Spurs won last night, too. I was hyped. Honestly, I don't have a dog in this fight. I just like seeing good basketball. Spurs did catch a dub. A dub. We got 2 minutes to open, everybody. Right now, I'm just going to wait. We have CPI tomorrow, so I'm going to stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. And this is your daily reminder that I like to give you guys to follow your rules of the day. Every day you come in with a choice when it comes to trading. You can follow your rules, and you can practice the habits that you know work and that you know get you closer to profitability. Or you can keep blowing yourself up. I'd reckon you choose option A. It's much less stressful. It's far more enjoyable to have money to spend. It's far more enjoyable on your mental health. And I'm going to do my absolute best to help guide you there through DOD. So trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's get it. Signed up but no confirmation. Check your spam too. Make sure you open the message and reply. Let's do it, Grizzly Glock. Oh, I'm sore from my workout. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's get to the money today, everybody. Spurs play unethical ball. Yeah, right. You should get a confirmation email. Check your spam folder. Spurs is what everyone thinks OKC is. You think? That's a little harsh. It's a little harsh. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
It's good. Very tired.
That's cute.
I didn't sleep.
Why?
So I didn't get home till like 2:30.
I thought you were coming home at 7.
No, dude, my flight didn't arrive till like 12, and then the trains were broke.
The trains were broke?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Very tired, dude.
Listen, the more the Spurs win, the more basketball we get. So that's cool with me. That's 100% cool with me. You know what would be the ultimate high ticket price is if the game goes to game 6 and if Knicks win it at home at game 6. Oh, baby. Let's get it, guys. Just waiting. Staying patient, trading smart, trading safe, and choosing DOD today. Discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine. Sitting in your hands, good. We'll wait the first 15 minutes and we'll see what they give us from there. We are right at that pivot for you pivot traders at 690 as well. You got anything I watched today, Grizzly? You see anything you like?
Sorry, Jdun, what were you saying?
Saying, are you watching anything?
All right, man. I mean, maybe around the camera can hold down.
Yeah, we're a ways away, like 100 points away. I can't stand baseball, bro. Oh my gosh. You couldn't pay me to go watch a freaking baseball game. Gene, hush.
We used to run softball games. We had a field we'd all go beat up, play it, and that was fun. I'm with you. I can watch it. Maybe in person.
I need to watch cricket. Cricket. Ribbit. Frogger. Playing Frogger.
Pickleball to wait. I have yet to play it. I may try it once.
I played one time. One time. I actually liked it. It was fun. I was a fan. What? Cornhole. Oh, yeah. Grizzly going hog wild. Need football. Pre. What up? Mexico plays on Thursday? When does USA play? Damn. World Cup. Does it officially start Thursday? Damn. That's exciting. Yep. Mexico, Canada, and US. Is it the last time it'll be in the US in our lifetime? I don't know. I have no idea. I couldn't tell you. El football. All right, let's wait and see what we get, everybody. Staying patient, trading smart, trading safe. Looking for one nice, good trade today. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, baby. One good trade a day. CPI tomorrow. For well, yep. I always tell people it's like if you can nail it, you can kill it. You got. All right, let's get it. VWAP. Bounce area. I am Let's get it, y'all. Appreciate y'all being here. This is a good time to do your mental check-in, everybody. How'd you sleep? How are you feeling? Do you have anything important going on today? Are you carrying over any emotions from yesterday? A lot of times, people miss this. It's easy to bring over past results into the present day. So if you had a horrible day yesterday, you don't want to come in today thinking, I'm going to go make that back. I'm going to go make back that $1,000 I lost. I blew my funded, so I'm going to go blow 10 evals today. We don't do that here. Not on this side. It's a new trading day. You stick to the present. Every single day. If you're constantly trading in the mindset of I have to get back to break even or I have to make this back, it's going to be very hard for you to trade with a solid process. Very, very difficult. No blowing evals. I appreciate you guys rocking with me and supporting me and using code Jdun, but no recklessly blowing evals allowed. Nice, Ryan. That's awesome. So these first 15 minutes are boring, guys. We just wait and we wait and we wait. A few scenarios that we can go over to start, some preemptive ones, are what you'll notice to start here is we touched this pre-market high up here with this first 5-minute candle. So if at some point we start to see some upside, I'd like to see us break above this 5-minute high here, or 15-minute high, excuse me, and this pre-market high, move above, close here, move back down, retest. This could be a potential long, and then ride this up. Definitely something that I'm open to. If we don't get the confirmations that I want to see, then we can also look for a potential sweep and rejection of this area. We also, there's a world where we find a bounce and some support around this VWAP and pre-market low in this area down here. So right now, again, preemptively, we still have a few more minutes in this 15-minute range. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Let's see what they give us here. Activate. In the meantime, while we're waiting, if you guys haven't signed up for my free live training, this is definitely a good time to do that before we get focused on finding a banger trade. Hosting a free live training this next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you've been to one before, you know how they go. If you have been to a free live training and gotten value from it before, I want you to type yes in the chat. Just real quick, if you've been to one of my free live trainings and I rocked your socks and you got your value and your time's worth, I want you to type yes in the chat right now. Sender today, yes, yes, yes. Alexa said yes. Theo, yes. Curtis, yes, yes. Art, yes. F, yes. Oh, yeah. Let's go. I do my best to go ham for y'all. Now, if you haven't been to one or you're looking to come to my next one, it's next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Here's the sign-up link. It's 100% free. Click that. Go get yourself signed up. Make sure you type your email in correctly, and I'll see you on the flip side in there. This is interesting. This is a very interesting first 15-minute range. So we closed above pre-market high, higher volume. This is going to be interesting. Let's see here. Let's see where the midline is. $700. Could potentially watch for this 700 area bounce. down on my face. I was confused. Interesting 5-minute candle there. We're going to have to diagnose this a little further. Stock Dr. Dunn is in office. All right, guys, come on. Give us a winning setup. All right, let's see here. So for our scenarios, we'll see. Strong uptrend days. I like to use my Fibonacci retracement. Oh, we might get a 2-bar here. We might get a 2-bar here, guys. You didn't miss any move. Just because price is moving doesn't mean you missed it. Otherwise, you'd be missing moves all day, every day. You'd be constantly living in a state of FOMO. It seems like how some of y'all be living, is you're constantly in a state of FOMO. Oh my gosh, I'm missing all these moves. Yeah, we might get the 2-bar. We'll see. It's a little higher risk, but it's technically can be valid. I know. I'm watching this 2-bar. It's just low key, a little risky. We'll watch how we touch it, like 800.
800 would be the correct entry, I guess. I feel like it needs that
Hmm.
50 minute range.
We touched it for a split second. I'm not in quite yet. We just have those levels right below, so it's a little concerning. It's, yeah. It's higher risk. Let's see. I'm going to try this long here, guys, for a 2-bar. 8. There we go. I'm entering now at 790. It's higher risk, guys. It's higher risk. I'm going to go wider size. I did try the longs. I tried the longs. It's higher risk because we have those key levels right below. I tried the longs. Stops at 758. I got filled at 792.5, so 793. It's not. We don't have a full-on trend yet, so it's a little riskier. But it was worth initial try, in my opinion, with how aggressive that volume was. I did try the longs, everybody. So you know, I'd like to see a push to high a day. Come on. 1-to-1 would be above like 822. So I will stopped out for a loss if we go to 758, everybody. Hard stops, and we also have data in 8 minutes, so I don't necessarily love that. So we'll see. We can we tried the 2-bar. It's a tad bit higher risk, but we'll see if it can get any continuation. I'm still open to a long entry as well if we can find some confirmation in this 15-minute high to pre-market high. So if it's a little bit higher risk for you up here, I don't blame you. We might still get a long entry down here at these previous key levels. I won't be adding to this position if I get stopped out on this, guys. So you know. I'm open to another entry if we move a little lower to like 40-ish, like 40 to 50. Still in. It's on life support. We're sitting on a deathbed right now. But it was worth a try. Even if it doesn't work out, it was worth a try for that continuation. The better entry was actually probably down here at this 15-minute high. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. Gosh dang it. I'll still watch. If we see some confirmation down here, I'll try the longs, but I'm not just going to try them automatically. I tried this 2-bar up here. Didn't work. If we see some support come in here, I'll try the longs with a stop below whatever this candle low is. But I'm not gonna try anything until we see that. So we're starting off the day 0 for 1. Small loss, but still 0 for 1. And I definitely can't long this close right here. If we see an aggressive push up here, back above these levels, we can maybe try it with a stop below this low. But right now, the only setup I saw was this retracement here. We broke right through it. And so we'll see what we get. If you lost a lot of money on that, then you're a goofball. There's no reason you should have taken a huge loss. It's just a loss, you know. You try it, and if it works out, great. If it doesn't, then, you know. And it was up like almost 20 points. It just was not enough for me to sell anything. If I'm going to risk 30, I got to make 30. You know? And now we wait. Yeah, that was lame. Usually you will see that, but that's the only risk you have of trading that first like 20 minutes is a lot of times you're trend hasn't fully solidified yet, but that's a setup I'd take 100 times. I would take that a million times in a row. I mean, you'll see it. If we get the setup again tomorrow, I'll take it tomorrow. Then the next day, I'll take it the next day. It's just like, we lost the first half. See what we get. 20 points wasn't enough for me. If I'm risking 30, going up to 20 points isn't enough. Not enough for me. So we'll see. We were risking like 32 points or something like that. That was my plan. So we don't get there to 1-1. We don't trade it. Yeah. I like the setup though. Even taking that, even if I would have taken that, I would have likely tried this 15-minute high and pre-market high, and that would have gotten stopped out too. It's just one of those deals. See how Price wants to act. Yep. Yeah, it looked good with volume and everything. Just died. I really I like that setup a lot, but it happens, It is what it is. Get what you get. You don't throw a fit, right? Looks great. Scenarios. We also could potentially chop, so we'll see. Knowing my luck, probably. Let's see what we can get, y'all. Staying patient, trading smart, and trading safe. We got... Yep, even this setup would have died. Let's see. Yep. We still got some wiggle room today. We're down about $700, so we'll take it. We still got some wiggle room. We can still call our way back if we find a good trade. But if not, if that was the only trade that I take today, then I'd end red and that'd be fine because the market's open tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Go right back to battle. Yep. We need some Metallica. That's why we didn't win. I need my Metallica. Where's my Enter Sandman? Where's my Enter Sandman? I don't know why it beeps. I'm not even cursing. I was saying no. Crazy. I don't know. All right. I got to piss like a racehorse. Gene, you want to come say hi? Yeah. Gene's coming to say hello. Welcome back to Colorado.
I am back to Colorado. Hello, everybody. I am back. Who missed me? I took a long on that retest to the fib. I drew my fib from London to the high. So from London to whatever high that was. Drew a fib. We were chased back down. I took longs this morning. It was fun. It was fun. I'm just glad to be back. I don't know. I like it wasn't even really a vacation, but I like to be gone, but not too long. I missed Colorado very much. Yeah, I'll be live on my TikTok today. I liked Cali. I was up in Victorville and then I was in LA. What's up, Jeff? I only use the 61.8 and the 50% retracement. My TikTok is live trading with De Niro. No, I don't use YouTube. Yeah. I don't know. Damn, the market fell. You don't like my American accent. I'm so tired, guys. I didn't get home until like 2:33 a.m. and I slept for like an hour because I didn't go to sleep till like, I don't think I went to sleep till like 5, something like that. Very, very tired. But I'm still here.
All right, let's go. I'm back and ready to win. What's good? Let's get it. There's no 2 bars. This isn't a 2-bar. This is a potential solid reversal candle, but not typically how I like to trade. It's all right. Taking my hand. Just waiting, guys. Staying patient now. I come back and Gene changes. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know if it's going to reclaim highs. I like that first setup. We are starting 0 for 1. I got to, let's see here. Definitely not 2 for 2. Let's change that. And nothing else mattered. Did I recruit Gene out of the taco truck? Yeah, I found him on Feds. No, actually, I found him at, where did I find you, Gene? What am I going to say?
What?
So where did I find you at?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. That's where I found Gene. See anything you like today?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm already done.
Show it to the longs.
Long's up open. Well, not directly up open, but.
Yeah, we also have CPI tomorrow, so there is a chance price chops into CPI. We'll see. As we wait for our next trade, remember to sign up for that free live training next Tuesday. If you guys struggle with having small wins and big losses and you want to flip that around, I got you with the winning system. I trade it live for you guys every day, small losses and big wins. We're starting today 0 for 1. That's all right. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on the YouTube as well. Jdun Trades if you guys want full screen share. I'm live there every day. Come tap in, baby. I also appreciate you guys hitting that thumbs up button. You guys get to our like goals, our thumbs up goals. You guys get free stuff. I know y'all like free stuff. I know y'all like free stuff, so all you got to do is hit that thumbs up button. You're almost ready to our first giveaway. Yeah, we're let's see. No volume confirmation on the 5-minute either. We got that close right below 15-minute low. We got our close below VWAP, so that looks good, but we don't really have a lot of room either down to pre-market low. I'm just going to wait. It might be a slow day for me. Could be my first red day in a few weeks. And if it is, that's okay. This is your reminder, guys. We're over 30 minutes in and choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused, everybody. Win, lose, or draw, we keep our losses small and our wins big. We come in here every day and move forward with our plan. By trading the DOD system and rocking with me, you're going to have, not only is it my goal to help you make more, but lose less. I can't leave it hooked that long. It was a great trade. You may say, well, what do you mean? You lost money, Jdun. I would take this trade 100 out of 100 times. The problem with a lot of y'all is that you think that every time you lose a trade, it's a bad trade, and you go change your strategy, and then you're stuck in this loop of changing strategies and changing systems over and over again, and that's why you ended up where you are today. But lucky for you, it doesn't have to stay that way. It doesn't have to stay that way. It was a great trade. Why is it the haters always come out? Where were they the last 2 weeks? Where do they come? When we win every single trade for weeks straight, where are they then? They just go hiding. I want to find this hibernation hole. I want to come be warm too. I'll never understand. I'll never understand. I'll just never understand it ever. I'll never get it. Maybe I fear that this could be a 2-bar. It technically could be, yes. If we get higher volume, which it looks like this candle's going to get, and we see a solid close down here, I'd be open for a retest into this candle and continuation down. My fear is that we just chop today and we go back into that range. That's what I don't want to see. Day's still young. Day is still young. As high as 630. Yeah, if we close down here, I will watch for a retest up for shorts. If I got stopped in a second trade of the day, we'll see how the P&L looks, but I'd likely be done for the day. I mean, I won't get off, but all right, let's see how this 570 area reacts, everybody. I'm watching 570 for shorts. 570 to like 590. I don't like that we swept this low and moved up. 570 area is what I'm watching. Yep. You watching anything? You see anything you like?
566 short. That stuff looks so good we come.
I know. It's not looking like we're going to get the retracement, man. Not looking like we're going to get the retracement. I wanted to see us move up. I'm not in a trade. How would I have a stop loss? I'm not in a trade. I'd like to see move, boom, boom. Or some sort of reversal. Well, actually, you don't even really have any. Maybe like previous day low. That Asia low.
Yeah, I like Asia low.
Down to 300.
Yeah. We've done this previous day point control thing. I wonder what happens there. I want to see if it respects it.
Oh my gosh. You missed the initial liquidity sweep and the equilibrium trade ICT, bro. I'm not. I actually like making money. I know. All of it. They all come out of the woodworks. I'm like one tiny baby losing trade. Everyone's like, "Yep, you should be trading ICT." What about the last 3 weeks? Huh? With literally not, I think maybe one losing trade in the last 3 weeks.
I have back tested all results from fair value gaps. I see the fair value gaps are not calculated by themselves. Not even close.
Nope.
And I have the results. It is not even close. I've not found a strategy you can use the fair value gap alone. You have to use it for as it comes to your proven strategy. That's it.
You will never find an institutional trader using ICT ever. Ever. It just simply won't happen.
The word is a possible strategy. It's just you have to be on your game. There's not enough room for error.
Yeah, no, I guess it's a good thing that the haters watch us, though. I mean, it shows that they know who the best trader on this app is. They know where the winning trades are. I'll never understand it. Yeah, a lot of the reason that these ICT people make these long YouTube videos that are super complex is because they can charge more for their courses. The more complex you make something, the more you can charge for it. You know? Second 2-bar, it could be valid. I don't mind this watch it for this Asian low bounce either. Have I listened to the band ICP? I don't think so. I don't believe I have. On the bright side, we know if we're getting the ICT crowd in here, the algorithm's doing its work. So if you're new here, welcome in. I give every trade live. I win almost every single day. And I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button in the top left corner. If you're on YouTube, hitting that subscribe button. And joining me every single morning, baby. DOD. Technically, this 2-bar is valid here, guys. I'm just a little hesitant to test it. I'd rather see this pre-market low. Or see a bounce down here at this like Asia low.
What color phone did you get?
Silver. What long are you in? You shouldn't still be in any long. The only potential long remotely was way up here as we broke above and held above 15-minute high and pre-market high. Otherwise, it's just been red candles ever since. Let's see what else we get. You know why the haters come out of the woodworks today is because I never lose. So if I lose for the first time in weeks, of course they've been waiting for this. They've been itching for this. So we always say they can let it out whenever we have a losing trade once in a blue moon, losing day once in a blue moon. They can let it out. Probably won't come again very often. Yes, this is their chance. You can let it out. Let it be. Let it go because it's probably not going to come again for a while. They don't come often, baby. They don't come often, so you better let it out while you can. Just let it be. Like John Lennon said, baby, just let it be. Whisper winning trades. Let it be. Let it be, let it be. Oh crap, we're in the middle of a trade. I gotta pee, I gotta pee. I'm not gonna take this 2-bar, guys. It could work out, but I'm gonna pass on this one. Reason being is after that first fake out up here, I'd just like to see a little better probability and see that higher retracement. It could work. It is valid. If you haven't taken a trade yet, if you're trading the 2-bar, it could technically work out. These shorts here with stops, and the stops are a little wide too. Stops have to be like at 510. It's not ideal either. As a reminder too, guys, FFF is sponsoring this live stream. If you guys have been wanting to trade with them, they have all 1-day pass evals on both the Prime and Premier and no activation fees. You can use code Jdun for 50% off up to 3 of them. It's 3 per trader. It's the same accounts that Gene got paid $20K on. Show me any ICT trader that trades live for free and has Jdun's track record. Oh, wait. Exactly. Facts. Big facts. Huge facts. It expires today too, everybody. Shout out the Funded Futures family for hooking us up with these. Code JDown will get you 50% off on 3 accounts. And we have CPI tomorrow. Just saying. I'm still going to watch for this reject up here at around pre-market low to VWAP, everybody. We'll see how this candle looks too. Yeah, the velocities are hard. They're 80% off too. You can get a velocity 25K for literally $16 with no activation fee, but the problem is they're just tough. Could have recovered fully if you just waited. I would never in a million years enter even up here and just wait. You don't just wait for a trade to come back. You plan your trade, you trade your plan. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you move forward. If that deal ends today, too, with the Funded Futures family, I appreciate y'all supporting the stream, supporting me. I do my best to help y'all every single day. Sure, y'all use code Jdun. You can get up to 3 accounts, and you can pass them same day. They are 1-day pass with FFF. So if you're trading futures with me, go get yourself an account. They paid out almost $20 million. They've been on a heat seeker. I'm gonna do my best to find us a winning trade, guys. Gotta stay patient. Plan the trade and trade your plan. Exactly. That's right. Come on. Job your love. Love your job. That's right. I love getting on trading every day. I'd love to see, I wanted to see this reject at pre-market low. This is my next big watch. Is how we react right here. Y'all are 60K likes away on TikTok, or 70K likes away on TikTok from the giveaway. All you got to do is tap that screen over and over. Tap, 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 tap. 700 of y'all should be easy. Come on. Don't you guys know if you don't have a 100% win rate, it's all a scam. You need to win every trade forever. Grizzly Glock, you end up trying that that bounce up there? I lost. It's over. Just hold every trade till it's a winner. Yes. Yeah, I was wondering if you tried that long way up there either. Earlier, what the one you were planning on? The one that I took it a little earlier than you were planning on. Oh, I didn't know if you ever tried it.
Yeah, I tried it, man.
No.
I gave back my profits from the first trade, basically.
No.
I had 2 trades. I went pre-market, made 1,300, and I took that one. And just shot straight down to my stop. It was AQ as well.
Was really hoping we'd get a nice move back up to this pre-market low.
I mean, even though we're having some good movement, I don't like it today. Never like it when we make pre-market high anyway.
Yo, Jdun, are you doing another free live training? Yep, next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. If you want to sign up, the link's in my bio. You can copy and paste that as well. Damn, that 2-bar would have been stopped too. That would have been brutal. Would have stopped by like 10 points and then died. What's up, dog? The trade pissed me off earlier. Not very pissed off, but because it was a good trade. Good setup. No. I'd rather lose 10 trades than go film for 10 hours of long form. Now we're pushing down. There's no world where I would have taken this trade right here, though. Some of the best trades are the ones I don't take. I mean, that's hindsight, baby. That's how it goes. If you guys are looking for the link to sign up for the free live training, I've posted it like 10 times in YouTube. It's also in my broadcast channel on Instagram. So if you go to my IG at Jdun Trades and you join my broadcast channel, you can find it there as well. Make sure you guys have all saved your seat for the free live training too. Bounce time, we'll see. Yep, we'll see if it's bounce time. I would have preferred we took out this Asia low first. Ooh. I really wanted to see this area confirm in here. Tested this like 600 and then failed. That would have been money. We'll see. If we do get a second trade, then that's great. If not, then no biggie. You guys got to understand, I come into every day with the expectation and the understanding I could be red. I say this all the time, but I could lose 10 trades in a row. Would that put me out of business? Nope. You just keep trading the system, you adapt, and you stay focused. I mean, I had a week about 2 months ago where I just traded awful, and I lost pretty much every trade. I was like, well, does that mean I suck at trading? Nope. Did I go on tilt? Nope. Did I manage my risk? Yup. And then guess what? It was followed by 2 months of winning. But a lot of y'all don't give yourself that chance to have those 2 months of winning because you consistently blow yourself up and you do stupid stuff. And when you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. With DOD, I'm trying to have you playing less stupid games. Being disciplined in your trading, being disciplined in your daily life. Oh, come on. Trading from Cancun, Mexico wouldn't have made it here without your mentoring, Jdun. That's awesome. Tradeify, it depends on the plan. But right now, the best deal is with FFF, guys. They're having a flash sale. FFF today, right now on Tuesday, is sponsoring our live. You can use code JDUN for 3 uses. It's a limit of 3 per trader. for 50% off the Prime or Premier plan. And mind you, the Premier is what Gene got $20K in payouts on and went live on. They paid out nearly $20 million. So I recommend you get the 50K Prime or Premier. It's 1 day pass. You can pass it today or you can pass it tomorrow with CPI. You can use code Jdun for 50% off 3 accounts. If I've helped you, if you're supporting the stream, if you're a future millionaire, if you're choosing DOD, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun and going to get an account. Good accounts to add to your arsenal for sure. You're right now, a 50K Premier is only $80, no activation fee. I said Arsenal. I probably thought I said something else. I don't know why it's beeping. That's hilarious. I don't even swear on these lives. It's a pretty good deal, huh, Gene? 50K Premier for $80, no activation fee. It's a great deal.
No minimum.
You like the Premiers more than the Primes, right?
Yeah, but the Premier's got a big upgrade since when I used to have them. That Premier Pluses now.
Yep, the Premier 50Ks are $80 with code Jdun, no activation fee. You can only get 3 at that price, though. I literally almost never cuss on the lives. I'm a good boy. On the live. Do I trade CPI? Depends. What do you like about those Premiers, Gene?
I like the new ones. I like that they don't have a minimum buffer requirement.
Yep, no minimum buffer.
They have only 5 days now to pay out. No more payout windows.
Yep, no payout windows.
5 instead of 4. Look at the rules. They got better since I traded them. I had to do buffers and 7 days.
Payouts every 5 days. You can trade up to 5 accounts at a time.
I think the payout, I think the cap for payout got raised as well.
Yep. $3,000 profit target, 1,500 max loss limit. Those Premiers are baller. You can get 3 50K Premiers with code Jdun. It only works for 3. And it only is valid today, guys. The sale ends today because FFF is sponsoring the stream today. It ends today. Market close, it'll be closed.
And there's no consistency. That's a huge, huge thing. Before I had 40%.
No consistency?
Yeah, no consistency.
much am I? How much am I up today? I'm up nothing. I'm down about 700. I'm up nothing today, man. I've been sitting here for an hour and a half and I lost money. What's up with that? Why is he so scared to trade? Because it's scary, bro. I'm terrified. I'm shaking in my boots. Yeah, guys, sorry. Yep. Hey, you know what, Yoda? Market's not going anywhere. Could be my first red day in a few weeks. We'll see. That's the difference, guys, is I'm okay. If I take a trade and it's red and I don't find anything else I like, I'll just be red. It doesn't mean anything. If you guys got to understand there's a cost to doing business in this trading game. Just like if you own a donut shop. I use this example all the time. You got to pay your rent. You got to pay your employees. You got to pay your taxes. You got to pay for your supplies. You have food that goes to waste. All of these different expenses are a cost of doing business. It's no different from trading. Got a cost of doing business. No different. It does look like it's going to break down. For sure does. If we see a trade that fits our system, I'll take it. I'm not against taking another trade. It just has to make sense. Gene, you get your ticket for the event yet?
Yeah, I got it all the time ago. I thought I wasn't allowed.
Nope, you're not. All right, let's see how we react down here, guys. Damn, that 2-bar would have literally gotten just barely stopped out up here and then died. All right, let's see. This could technically be another 2-bar, guys. We're right at the Asia low, which is a little concerning. We swept Asia low, which is my only worry about the setup. Maybe 400 area reject, stops above like 460. You guys, the reason we don't block or ban the haters is because you got to realize they're bringing in people to the live. The more that they engage, the more the algorithm pushes our live, and the more people come. They learn the DoD system. They use code Jdun. I get to help them with their trading. It's a win-win-win-win-win. And I bet I could even change their mind after a while if they keep coming. That's the best is when someone comes in and they're like, "Oh my God, Jdun, I used to be a hater, and now I'm a believer." I'm like, "Yup, Let's go. I'll change their mind, baby. Oh, come on. No pullback. It's really hoping we would have gotten this push up here. And now I have a bad feeling that we're gonna see a push down, then aggressive volume push back up, and in that case we can't short that. Are we gonna have another 2-bar? Now, what do I tell you guys always about the 2-bar? This is important to remember. The farther we go down, the more aggressive the move is, the less likely it is to work out. So we went from up at almost 30,000, 29,009, down to 29,001. So say we get this move down here, and we still have a ways. It's going to be a higher risk if we do try this. Trying to find a short entry, man. It's just... Yeah, it's going. She gone. I still think we can get a nice trade today. I got about 45 more minutes of trading. I got a feeling we see some support down here at 29,000 too. How much have I made today? 0. I am negative today. 230. So much risk too. Look how big these candles are. Like even let's say we took the upper end of the 2-bar at 240, you'd have like 70 points of freaking risk up to 310. If you guys haven't checked it, whoops. FOMO trader, final boss. I know you're not talking about me. I'm the opposite. I'm like the anti-homo trader final boss. I'm the I'll just walk away final boss. Yeah, someone said I was the FOMO trader final boss. Oh. What? Yep. I'm still on.
Ready for some more coffee.
We low key have an anomaly going on right here too. So we have two aggressive 5-minute candles to the downside, both of which are the same size, but one has, a third more volume. So either that's buyers stepping in or sellers are just extremely aggressive here. FOMO is fear of missing out. I don't have any fear of missing out. We can move down 10,000 points today, and I'd say, all right, well, that sucks I didn't catch it, but market's open tomorrow. I look at trading from a long-term view. What's up, G? What are you doing? What? Can you show me how to do all that stuff too? Once we get it out. Here, we can just end it right there too if you want to. All right, guys, I'm staying patient still. Staying patient still. I wanted to see. I was open to this potential reversal in lower high in here, even though it had massive risk, but still nothing. Still nothing. Well, long or short, I am neither. Well, I mean, I'm tall, long, I guess, 6'7". Took that short 700. Thanks for helping with my discipline. You're welcome, bro. What's our Asian low at? Asian low is down here at like 300. FOMO fears Jdun. That's right. Dun, 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 dun. Point of control, highest volume point of the day. Oftentimes can be used to support or resistance. I am 6'7". I'm a tall boy. All right, guys, still waiting. I did not take this 2-bar up here. Too much risk. From 216 up to 3, basically 310, basically 100 points of risk on the lower end of this 2-bar. The idea is right, but man, this a freaking 200-point candle is just a lot. Like it's hard to get behind that with 100 points of risk. The idea looks good. You guys can see it so far. It's working out, but 100 points of risk is just a lot. My number one student, Eli's back. Glad Team Bowl can make you some serious bread. Some big moves today. Big moves today. I mean, you could do technically, you could just go with less size, but I mean, 100 points of risk on a trade that's intraday is just a lot. What a strong discipline. Learning a lot every day. Who wants me to get on early for CPI tomorrow? Grizzly does. Who needs help passing their evals? If enough people want me on, I'll get on. I'll wake up earlier. It's for y'all. It is a higher risk strategy, but it's also high risk, high reward. So if you do want to trade CPI, you need to have a 1-day pass eval right now. Some of the cheapest ones in the game are with FFF. You can use code J. The only code that works for it today is Jdun because they're sponsoring our live stream today. They sponsor one stream a week. And so with code Jdun on the Prime or Premier, they're both 1-day pass accounts. I like the Premiers. That's where Gene got 20K in payouts. You can use code Jdun for 50% off. I like the 50K. And it's only valid today. That the discount ends at market close. So go get yourself up to 3 Premier accounts. The 50K Premier is only $80 with no activation fee. It just works. It's only it's a limit of 3 per trader. You can only get 3 at that price. It's only 3. Yep, 1 day to pass. Gene will be on Asia. Are you going to be on Asia today, Gene?
Yeah.
Nice. See what they give us here. I'm just waiting. Staying patient. Seek and destroy. What am I waiting for? Just a lot of risk on this potential 2-bar. A lot of risk, so I'm just waiting. Staying patient. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, you get wealth charts or trade of 8. You can use both, I believe, with FFF. Trend is always your friend. Unless you see a clear reversal. See, looks like we might get that low. We made another point of control. That's insane. Yep. Appreciate y'all being here. Make sure if you haven't already, you tap in and hit that follow button. The best place to be is inside Team Bowl. Number 1, 0 lag, no delay. Yes, sir. I still have faith in a setup today, guys. I still have faith. I got about 45 more minutes max. I'm live every single day. Yep. $46. Yep, no consistency on funded Premier 50Ks. Yeah, the Premiers are gangster. Today and today only, you can get 50% off. It ends today at market close. Beep, beep. Staying patient, everybody. I still believe. I still believe. I still believe, baby. Do you know what the payout amounts are on the 50K Premier account, Gene? Can you check? Still gonna watch for this like 400 area reject too. We'll see. We also got Asia Low coming in at 300 area. Yep. Up to what?
2K.
So 2K
Yep.
per? 2K per payout. Or 50% of profit up to 2K. So if you have 5 accounts, technically you could get a $10,000 payout. Yep, I'll be on for CPI tomorrow. We'll be on early. I got you. I will lead you to the promised land. So, reminder, guys, that FFF flash sale ends today. Use code Jdun for 50% off. You get up to 3 accounts. I think Grizzly's still on here. Oh, he did hop off. I didn't hear him. Maybe I'm deaf. Or I don't remember. I think Bro Irish could bite us. Bro, I just can't remember. CPI is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Yep, no activation fee with FFF either, guys. These are perfect accounts to pass tomorrow morning. Or today if you're still trading. This is your 2 hours and a reminder to choose DOD, everybody. Choose discipline over cheap garbage dopamine. It's tempting to sit there and take trade after trade, but over time, it is very detrimental to your progress. Now give us a solid high volume reversal candle here. At this point, if we got a solid high volume reversal candle here, I'd be open to looking for the retest. Stops above like 300 and push down to the low a day. Whew. I do. Piss again. All right, Gene, want to come say hi? I'll be right back. Gene's going to come entertain you for a few minutes.
Wow, he must have really had a pee to get up that fast. Big guy was moving fast. Not gonna lie, guys, I was sitting in my chair and I had my eyes closed. And all I heard was Gene. And I got up and came over here. I'm like running on like 20%. One of my meetings canceled, so yeah. I have some time and I'm gonna chill out for a little bit, try and get some energy. What account do I trade on? I just put it in.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
I was making fun of you.
You rip a trade for me?
No. I was like, man, he got up really, really fast. I think I was moving.
Big guy moving. We're going to have a little bear flag action here or what? Little old school bear flag action. All right, guys. Here's your $8,000 trend line course. You wait for the bear flag to break, then you just rip it. I'll take Venmo or PayPal for that, please. Yep, bear flag time. Five-minute time frame. Damn, let's just give us one confirmation candle. Come on. That last candle looked all right. DOD. One of my top students, Eli, I helped him make his first 10K. DOD changed his life. I am personally attributed to all of his success. Appreciate you, bro. Come on, man. Come on now. High volume confirmation candle. High volume confirmation candle. Now, come on. Give us the bear flag course. Why do you struggle with these massive moves? Come on. High volume confirmation candle. That's what we need to see, baby. Bear flag breakout. That Asia low reject hit. Touch tips to a T. It hit. It heat. Gene's getting a geek out of it. Only time I'm touching tips is if it makes us a bag. So like when we touch tips up here at 300 with the Asia low, you can see you did it almost to a T and then move down. As a reminder, make sure you guys get signed up for my free live training. You guys know how those go if you've been before. You guys know I drop a massive amount of alpha. Make sure you guys all get signed up. Yeah, Morgan Wallen concert was great. It was amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, let's see here, guys. We might, maybe not. So we could potentially get this retest of this trend right here, like 204. Your stops just have to be at like 257. We didn't have the confirming volume I wanted to see either. Didn't have the confirming volume I wanted to see either. Let's see, where is... Come on, a little higher. At least give us a shot at that continuation down. At least give us a tiny shot. I'm open to trying it if we get up into that, it's like 220s. Because then we'd only have like 30, 40 points of risk. I'd rather be late than early too, 100%. I mean, being early works sometimes. When it doesn't, you get slaughtered. It's not going to give it to us, is it? Setup's going to be invalidated, folks. No more short setup if we pop back up now. Setup has been invalidated again. Oh, that sucks. It's been literally short of our retest 3 times today. It's just been one of those days. Short of it once, short of it twice. Actually, 4 times. Short of it 3 times, short of it now a 4th time. Just no no confirmation for me. I will not take the short if we go back up, guys. I will not take the short if we go back up now. We could watch 29,000 bounce, maybe. But especially if we bounce off this point of control and above this low day, there's no taking the shorts if we go back up. The breakout's already happened. The retest has already happened. So now we wait, and we wait, and we wait. Yup. Man, I was really hoping they'd give us that push up. That's so lame. Well, maybe a 2-bar? Let's see my final watch. Right up to that point of control, like 110 stops above like, or 130 stops above like 200 or 190. It's about the last attempt I'd see. I mean, we've gone down so far that it's pretty high risk. Now here's another problem, guys. Want to know another problem? Where are we bouncing off of? Look at where we're bouncing off of on the chart. We're potentially going to be bouncing right off this demand zone at 29,000 that we have marked out. That's annoying for sure. I will still watch for this 29,100 area to 29,130. I still will watch for that for a short. It's definitely higher risk for sure. Otherwise, I'm just going to end my day 0 for 1. The bear flag was on point. I'll take my 8,000 for the course, please. Thank you very much. Come on. See, this is where price starts getting tricky. I find that when we start having, we've moved down over 1,000 points. There's a good chance we're going to find a reversal somewhere in here. So yeah, this setup's no longer valid, guys. You can, but it's higher risk. It's much higher risk to take the short setup now that we're breaching low a day so aggressively. Frustrating, but we survive. This is where 2 bars start becoming more invalid too, guys. We've had so many lower highs. I mean, look at this chart. We've practically moved straight down. This is where we start seeing a lot less probability in those 2 bars. So we'll stay on for another like 15 minutes or so, like 15, 20 minutes, but probably going to be red day for me. It's unfortunate because I love downtrend days. There were just no proper retests that I liked. We were very close on this one, but didn't quite get there. The only other bounce area I see, guys, is like that 800. I think we could see some support kick in around 28,800. Besides that, nothing. I mean, there was times where the entries were okay for how I trade. There was just a lot of risk today. Maybe if we find like some 5-minute support down here at 800, we can look for a long. Besides that, it's all shorts. Oh. We're going to have another green. Another red bar. I mean, we can watch for a 2 bar, guys. Just you guys have to know one thing is that it's higher risk. If we do try the 2 bar, it's higher risk. If we go up to this like 960, you just got to be prepared that we could just shoot right up. As the lower you get in a downtrend, the more risk it comes when you have a 2 bar. I'm still potentially open to it. You got to prepare to get wrecked quick. I mean, not wrecked money wise, but wrecked stop loss wise. I have 2 options. Three options. A, we watch this 2 bar right here to finally come to fruition. B, we wait for a deeper retracement up like to this point of control. Or C, we wait for a 5-minute confirmation for reversal. No reversals until we get 5-minute confirmation, though. Oh, man. Woo. Nope. Let's have to see 5-minute confirmation for reversal. Again, another freaking... Oh, it's going to make me so mad. I'm not chasing. Never. We never chase. I'm going to stay on for like 15 more minutes. Yep. I'll stay on for like 15 more minutes, and then I'll be done for the day. Either small red, medium red, or green. Come on. I can't believe they have just been even with our 2-bar retracements, been fumbling them all day. Either it's been a 200 point, 300 point candle, or just no deep retracement. Nothing. If we get a good setup, I will try a full size position. But until then, I trade nothing. This could be the reversal candle. I don't think it'll be this one. I don't think this is going to be our reversal candle. Sellers are still very strong here. We'll see. Possible, yes. Likely, no. This is an anomaly. It looks like our sellers might be slowing down a tad bit, but there's still no sign of reversal. We'd have to see I'd love to see this candle right here have some sort of pin bar, sweep, and then pin bar to the upside. That'd be ideal. If we were to see a reversal, we might just keep going down. Pin bar looks like this. Looks like a T. I wish we could just touch this 800. Sweep 800 to the downside and then rip back up. Looking for I mean, it would take a good amount of buying and reversal for me to take a long. I'm not in the habit of catching falling knives, guys. Those have been some of my biggest losses. So if I'm going to take a reversal, I like when we sweep a key level and we have what looks like a T come in. A reversal pin bar, higher volume. That way you can test into the pin bar, take the long and put the stop below the low. It's not looking like we're going to get it right now, so we'll see. Ooh. Yep, stick to your strategy. Stick to your plan. I still think we can catch a W. I still think we can do it. I still have faith. Yeah, we'll see. I got it just a bit longer. And if I don't see anything I like, I will hang it up. Fourth quarter Brunson activated. Yeah, I'm going Kobe mode straight up. Whew. Our selling is slowing down. So we'll see. I would like for us to sweep 800 and then have a solid reversal candle. We'll see. Staying patient, everybody. Let's see, 850, 811. This is actually looking good for a reversal. It's not quite the volume I wanted to see, but 815. Come on. $70. Yep, and now that's going to be invalid too because we're pushing up above that previous. Just nothing. Yeah, the volume on that candle was decent. It wasn't rising, but it was good. I mean, there was a lot of buying here for sure. Nuck Buck said this was really tough. He locked himself out. Without DOD, I would have kept trading to just get the payout today since I'm over the buffer. Jdun taught me patience. In the past, I'd probably keep trading and blow it or something stupid. Whenever we have a potential reversal like this, I like to see us open up this candle, test down, and then move up. And I'd prefer to actually see rising volume on this candle. We didn't have that. So if you wanted to try it still, you could at 840, like 840 area. Your stops would just have to be at like 810. So you'd have like 30 points of risk. Damn. Of course, the freaking reversal's going. Just, it's going, the train's moving. I missed my freaking ticket. You could short here for the 50% retracement. It's just higher risk. We've gone down so much today, man. I mean, look at this. Look how far we've gone down today. It's not that it's not invalid. It's just higher risk. I wanted to see us retest into this and to catch the solid reversal here. That's what I really wanted to see. DOD, everybody. I understand the temptation to go and chase, but we've had no deep retracements today. Not even most of the 2 bars today haven't even gotten deep enough. No key levels retested, just lower highs and aggressive sells down and not much move up. Tough to trade if you don't catch an initial entry. Oh boy. Like even this looks like an okay short setup. It's just so risky without volume. I want one nuker setup. I want one nuker setup. Yeah, it's looking like I'm just gonna be my one and done. I had a few great ideas that just never got fully back to our retracements. It's just hard when you have those freaking enormous candles. Like we touched the 50% retracement a few times or got close to it, but there's literally, if you want 100 points of risk, that's the problem. 44 up to that high here is 31. As a reminder, guys, we have CPI tomorrow. If you want to get a one-day pass eval today and today only, FFF has given us 50% off their Prime and Premier plans. These are the same plans that Gene made 20K on. So if you're looking for a nice one-day pass eval, these are $80 with no activation fee. No activation fee. Game changer, guys. Great plans. Oh, come on. Give us a deeper retracement. Please. Give us a deeper retracement. Oh. I would say I'd watch for, if we would have had a higher volume reversal candle here, I would have watched for a short entry around here with stops above this high, but again, no consistency on the Premier. I honestly recommend the Premier plan for you guys. The 50K Premier is only $80 with no activation fee. You can get 3 of those. It's a limit of 3 per trader for the 50% discount. I think the downtrend could continue too. I'm going to show you me trading so far today. This is me trading so far. Yep, let's go ahead and miss every freaking entry because we don't get a pullback or there's too much risk. Look at me. That's me. That's me today. It's all right. It's been an aggressive downtrend, even more so that it's just been a tough day. I still think we can move further down after this retrace up. But just, you would have, if you were willing to take 100 points of risk, here's what it looked like. Like what? Just to get to 1-to-1, you would have had to low a day. That's 100 points. So you got a little better entry there. Even there, you're still got to get low a day to be at 1-to-1. We could do another bear flag. It's just, it's much riskier when you're this low. Twitter fingers turn to trigger fingers. I don't know what we're listening to. I think this is that was Metallica. That's all we listen to, baby. Not all, but man, we'll see. I'm not sure how our Husker recruiting class has been. I liked Raiola while he was here. So it'll be my last attempt at a trade, guys. If we get this closed down here, if we can get a retest back up and then push down, I'll try it. If not, I'll likely be done for the day. I have about 5-10 more minutes. We'll see how this candle closes. If I would lose my next trade, I'd be 0 for 2 in the day, and I would 100% be done. Or I just don't take another trade, and I'm still red in the day, and I'm done. Close here, push up to 920, and let us die. All right, one last look for shorts. We move to like 910. Come on. Even 900. I'll settle for 900 at this point. 900. I'd prefer 910. 900 retest for shorts and push down. If we break this low a day, I probably got to get off because that invalidates the setup. How are we getting no retests today? Not even like remotely close. How? That is just insane. Even with any of the 2 bars. It's either 300-point candle or no retest. It's insane. And set up some valid, guys. No more shorts. No more shorts, guys. Set up some valid. Even if we pop up, no more 2-bar. No more 2-bar. We just swept 800, so 100%. No more 2-bar, guys. No more 2-bar if we go up. So it's looking like it's going to be a one and done day for me. Unreal. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That's annoying. Not even close to a retest. Like, not even remotely close. You know what? Screw it. I'm staying on for 15 more minutes. We're going to stay on for 15 more minutes. The show goes on. The show is going on. Reminder too, guys, the farther we go down, the more high risk any sort of 2-bar or lower entry or high entry or low entry becomes. So even if we took, say, a short at 800, it'd be higher risk because there's a chance that at some point, maybe it's down, maybe it's here, maybe it's down here, maybe it's down here. We see boop, aggressive push up with buyers. The problem with this 960 was that if we pushed above this, right to this 29,000, we had right above it, we had this point of control right here. So with this previous point here, I honestly thought there was a good chance that we pushed above this 29,036. It will go back up eventually. I mean, at some point we will get a retrace, but it's a matter of when. This is technically a 2-bar. It's just high risk, guys. The lower we go, the higher risk it gets. Even if we do get this 2-bar, guys, it's just so... Then don't. Try it. Try it, Jay. Go chase. Take the shorts right now. See what happens. Maybe it'll hit. It could. I wouldn't do it, but it could. Try it. There's going to be a million more downtrend days. Plenty more. But there won't be any more for you if you don't have an account because you blow it. I'm just saying, you like it, try it. Don't wait for me. Oh no, I'm chilling. We're going to see plenty more downtrend days. It's just one day. It's just one day out of, lots more trading days coming. I like that 800 shorts too. It's definitely a high risk. So if I take it and get stopped out above like 860, I would just be done for the day. It's honestly higher risk. I mean, look at our day so far. It's straight down. We're just getting no sort of deep retracements today. We're at that 780. We'll see if we can touch 800. I do think 2-bar is higher risk, even at 800, but it's technically valid. It's just very high risk after moving so aggressively down. I want to see us touch 800. To even think about it, I want to see us touch 800. There is a chance, though. There's a very real chance where we just come up and shoot straight. Maybe not this aggressive, but shoot up. These massive candles are just killing me, guys. They're just killing me. Even with this right here, 780 up to what? Like 8, basically 870 at 90, 100 points. This is so annoying. I love downtrends, but I hate when they're aggressive like this and don't give any sort of real retracement. Right into the 50% range. Just no too high here. No longs either, guys. No retrace or no confirmation or reversal, no longs. What am I supposed to do with this? What the hell am I supposed to do with this candle? What the heck am I supposed to do with this candle? I don't know where Mr. Gene. Oh, Gene is sleeping in his chair. What's up, Mr. Gene? I'm annoyed with this price action. I love the downtrend. We've literally gotten no deep retracements. If I show you one payout, what do I get, Silver One? You'll go buy 10 accounts with code Jdun. I'm so freaking annoyed, guys. I'm absolutely so annoyed. It is what it is. We don't act on it, but damn, it's annoying when we see so many okay opportunities that just don't have a deep enough retracement. So freaking annoyed. Here's the difference, though, guys. It's okay to be frustrated or annoyed. It's not okay to act on it and do stupid stuff. That's where people mess up. Tilt is where it becomes a problem. Why are these stupid... Nothing. Look at this. Insane, guys. Just absolutely insane. I think I'm going to end up getting off soon. Otherwise, I'm going to do something stupid. By that, I don't even mean like till. It's just like trying to trade that, trying to even a 2-bar this low is just so risky. I mean, one of these times, look at how many lower highs we've had. I tell you guys this all the time. We've moved down. We're close to almost like 2,000 points on the NASDAQ. So the closer we get to that, it's just very high risk. And I think we're probably getting close to at least a short-term bottom. I wouldn't personally try longs down here because we don't have any confirmation. Like, even these stupid candles can't get any retracement, bro. Like, what is that? This is some serious selling, guys. Like, some major, major, major selling. All right, Gene, want to come say hi quick? I'm going to step away for a few minutes. See a trade, you can take it. I don't care.
What the freak? Oh, man. I fell asleep in my chair again, guys. Good morning. For real, dude. Whoa. What the freak? Look at those hour candles. Damn. I damn near top ticked it. I was filled at 29, like 708. I didn't hold though. The market fell 1,000 points.
What's up, bro?
The cops are here.
Cops are here. Do the 2-bar here.
2-bar. What's a 2-bar?
I've told you what it is 100 times. Bro, just don't listen.
No, I know what it is now. I've traded it once in Asia. Sorry.
Of course, the second I get up, we go hit 670 for 2-bar. Just, of course, what happens. Always. Jeez Louise. We could go down to the 400s. It's very possible. It's very possible, guys. Very, very possible. I'd love to see a reversal pin bar to the downside. Be great. I think it's going to be tough. Where's my... Unreal. The moment I get up to... The moment I get up. Here. Here's a payout. Here you go. Hold on. There's my trading log and the money into my bank as well. So now you can go buy... You need to go spend your next paycheck all on accounts using code Jdun. Just for who was asking. Your whole paycheck from your job needs to go to accounts using code Jdun. Right now, you can buy the first 3 accounts with 50% off on FFF. It's a great deal right now, incredible deal. Then you can go buy the rest with Apex, and you can go buy some with Tradeify and Lucid as well. So there's 50K right there. There you go. You're welcome. I got you, bro. I got you, dog. Yep. Got to use code Jdun now. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this freaking market. This is insane. Where'd bro go? Yep, now time to go buy those accounts, bro. Code Jdun. Come on. I'm watching for the sales to come in. Come on. Come on. Where are they? That wasn't enough. Okay, fine. So here is here's just under right around $10,000 in payouts from Top Step as well. When I was trading with Top Step. Oh, here's another just under 5K too. So here's some more as well in case you needed those. So now you got to go buy 20 accounts actually. Negative 3% on the day is insane. Let's go get this daily chart. Look at that. You got a 2-bar. Got a 2-bar on the daily chart too. Look at that. That's crazy. I think it's going to be tough for us to continue down. We'll see. I got my Jdun bowl at least. That's good. What am I supposed to do here? I missed the one freaking 2-bar. I'm going to take in. Getting up again food. All right. We have the world's most high-risk 2-bar of all time. Up here at like 560. World's most high-risk 2-bar of all time, potentially. Look at this. This is insane. To get a 50% retracement, we'd have to go back to like like 29,100, like 700 points up. Yep, even at 560, your risk would be up to like 620. Unreal. I used to own FFF over a year ago, like a year and some months ago. Now I'm just an affiliate. You can use code JDUN. Today's the last day of the sale. It's the only day of the sale because they sponsored the stream today. It's 50% off for 3 accounts. It's a limit of 3 per trader. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Just let it out. Let it out. One of these times, there's going to be an enormous move up. That would be my fear of trying the 2-bar here is, you know, we've went down 3%. Like, we're going to get a retracement at some point, and it's going to be aggressive. It's just a matter of where. Where and when. Still open to one more trade. That's it. We got some strong buying coming in. So I'll watch this 2-bar here at 560, but it's very... With that candle close, it's very high risk. Very high risk. What's up, bro?
Can you self-recording?
You can. That's fine. Yep, nothing. Just watching this market. Been watching it move with retracement after retracement missed over and over and over. Retracement after retracement. Just missed.
I was recording for like 3 hours.
Yep. This would be the spot for shorts. It's just higher risk with how freaking aggressive this price action's been. This is the spot for shorts, everybody. On this pop up here. I mean, the risk is above like 620, but if we're going to move down with a lower high, this is it right here. Well, not down here at 500, but... All right, guys, for the accounts, I'm going to post the codes in YouTube. They are for FFF 50K Premier accounts. FFF 50K Premier accounts, everybody. They are for FFF 50K Premier accounts. These are the same accounts that Gene got a 20K or made 20K on. You guys got to make sure you're logged into your FFF accounts, everybody, to get the giveaway. Got to make sure you're logged in. It's free to make an account, or if you have one, I'll post the link a few times for you guys. I just posted it like 5 times. All right. I'm going to go ahead. Let's see. Where's those? Oh, they're in my email. That's right. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's the deal, folks. You ready? I got to get off this damn stream. This market's going to piss me off. But for the giveaway, right now I'm giving it, you guys got to the 600 likes, so I'm giving away 10 accounts. Boo! Oh, crap. That's going to, whoops, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. No. Here, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to copy and paste them one at a time. Then I'm getting out in here. I'm posting the codes. So I show a real. You're literally an idiot. What? All right, guys. I'm going to start nuking these accounts in here. Unless people already got them. They're only valid for one person each. 1. 50K premieres. 2. 3. They're going out. You got to be ready. 10 of you guys are getting a free account with FFF. The Funded Features family. 50K premieres. That's the only account they're valid. Why the hell is it doing this? Yep. 5. Come on. 6. Come on. 7. 8. 'Where the hell did that one go? We have a 9. Yeah, I told you guys from the start you'd have an account to get one. Come on now. Let's see. Where was that 9th code? Oh, here it is. Or the 10th code. And 10. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, YouTube. I'm mobbing off. I'm highly annoyed. It was probably my worst trading day in terms of execution in a long time. Never got some of the retracements. Hesitated on others. So I'm going to get off before I do something stupid. I'm going to choose DOD. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun. And congrats to whoever got those 10 accounts. I'll see y'all later. Make sure you hit that follow button. Yeah, all the think indicators worked out. So I'm going to get off. Tomorrow's a new day. And if I call anything out, I'll signal it live in Team Bowl. Peace.